Just think of like whipped cream for your body. I love Trader Joe's. I eat their food. I get breakfast, lunch, and dinner items from there. I'm very excited to do this video, you guys. I cannot wait to tell you what new things I'm putting on my face and my body from Trader Joe's. Hey guys, it's Cami. Welcome back to my channel. How have you been? What have you been up to? Write that in the comments down below. I'm just very interested in what is going on with you guys. I have had a lot of new things happening. Life is coming at me like so many things are happening. I have not done a video on two things that are major, and I'm in the process of making those videos so that I can bring those to you. But one of them involves a new family member. So excited about that. I cannot wait to make that video and let you guys know who the new family member is. So cute. All right, guys, but I have been to Trader Joe's like a ton. In the past 3 months, I have been to Trader Joe's probably more than 6 times. They have like the best desserts, like surprise. They have the best coffees, surprise. None of this is a surprise. Trader Joe's does a really good job in curating and selecting for each category of items from, I think, influence like from around the world. So I've done a couple of videos that are shop with me, but this is more specifically introducing new beauty to my channel. And I've been through all the drugstores, guys. You know, I've done like a Target shop for makeup and skincare. I've done all the drugstores, but Trader Joe's has skincare items. The vitamin section, I was over there. I was looking at like their snack bars for like after you work out. And then next to that is like the beauty section. Like, did you guys know that Trader Joe's had a pretty good selection of items in their beauty section? I never used to pay attention to it. Like, I just wasn't there. Like, I'm mostly like a makeup girl and skincare and things like that. Like, I'm just now getting into that sort of thing. All right, guys, so do Trader Joe's beauty items work? Like, is it worth it? Let's talk about it. I went ahead and I picked up a couple of things. I have 5 items here that I got from the Trader Joe's beauty section, and I just want to talk to you about them. I've used 4 out of 5 items, and I want to tell you how they work for me and who I think they're going to work for. And I'm also going to tell you about that 5th item that I haven't used yet, but I'm very excited to, because yeah, you'll see. Yes, it's summer. I'm always like looking for something that's still gonna hydrate my skin but not make me like overly greasy, and something that's gonna actually like soak in, because I still have dry skin even though it's summer. My skin, like, what about it? And I didn't want something that I have been using like all winter, because to be honest, like, I'm a fragrance girl. I love fragrance and perfume, and I want to change up the way I smell from like season to season. Okay, so let's start with body, because I'm actually super excited about this. I think I'm the most excited that I found this item because it smells fresh and it just makes my body feel so hydrated but not too greasy. So what is it? This is the Trader Joe's Cucumber Avocado Body Butter. This is 8 ounces of product, and I've been using this for about a month now. You guys, I love it. It works for my feet, my hands, the rest of my body in the middle. I put this everywhere, and my body is not sensitive to it. I have not broken out or anything. It's just hydrating, and oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells refreshing. It just smells like fresh fruit, but a cucumber. Honestly, right now, this feels so good. I just feel like relaxed. It's a thick, nourishing cream, but it doesn't just sit on top of your body. Like, it rubs in. Like, you can't really see it anymore. I mean, obviously that was a lot for just the back of my hand, but it spreads very nicely and it doesn't feel thick and greasy when you're done rubbing it in. Oh my gosh. It's very emollient. I just feel so fresh. So I definitely recommend this for everyone. I mean, I do have dry skin, but I think even if you don't, like, why not Nourish? Feels so nice. Okay, so that is all that I got for my body. I'm very particular about which creams and lotions and things that I put on my body. Everything else I got is for the face. So let's go ahead and start with the face moisturizer that I have been using. You guys, this is the Trader Joe's Nourish Oil-Free Antioxidant Facial Moisturizer. It says that it is suitable for all skin types, dermatologist formulated, fragrance-free, and it's also no parabens. So this is 6 ounces of facial moisturizer. I have been using it. I've been alternating it with something else, obviously, because I do makeup videos. Let me tell you the secret to using this. You want something like refreshing. The secret to using my face moisturizers these days is taking it out of the refrigerator. So at night before I go to bed, I put this in the refrigerator. Oh my gosh, this just feels so good on my skin right before I do my makeup. It helps me relax. I feel calm. I feel refreshed, and I'm just like ready to create, you know what I mean? But yeah, I could see how this is for all skin types. It's actually like more of a watery texture, so it's gonna soak right into your skin. It doesn't leave an oily residue. So I have sensitive skin, and this has not broken me out, so I do recommend this for all skin types. The one fruit that sticks out to me this year is watermelon. Oh, this is cold. Oh my gosh, it feels so good on my throat. I just took it out of the refrigerator. This is the Watermelon Facial Mist, Refresh and Hydrate. So you get 3.4 fluid ounces of this. Another way to keep your face hydrated. I have only used this probably like 7 times since I got it, so probably every like 3 days. This light melony mist will keep you glowing all season long. All right guys, so I'm gonna use it now. Ooh. Ugh. I just like spritzing cold stuff on my body, and I am in love. Okay, one thing about it though, like the mister isn't the best. Like it kind of sprays a little bit, but that is okay. It's not something that I feel like is sitting on top of my skin, even though I sprayed it. Like I can't see it, but I do feel like my face is like a little bit glowy, so that's fine. I just feel so fresh. I probably only have 6 of these left. Okay, so there's 20 of these. This is the Trader Joe's Micellar Cleanser and Makeup Remover. They work. They actually take off your makeup. It's not unusual for me to double cleanse. With these, you don't need to double cleanse. I don't think that you do. It works to take off my mascara, which is pretty hard. Trader Joe's Micellar Cleanser and Makeup Remover utilizes a unique micellar technology that works gently to remove impurities from your skin. These soft cloths help to remove dirt and makeup and are mild and gentle enough to use around the eyes and on the most sensitive skin. Let's test out these makeup wipes. I'm just gonna put a little bit of lipstick on the back of my arm. Ooh, and they smell good too. I forgot to tell you all about that. My goodness. Ugh, it just smells like pretty. It's a mix between flowers and clean laundry, but like clean linens, not like overly citrusy or anything like that. Just flowers and clean linens. So yes, there you go. This is a good makeup wipe, you guys. I can say I have sensitive skin. I think I've already said that in this video. These do not break me out, and they don't make me feel like there's like a film on my skin. So that's really good. So I do recommend these. All right guys, so let's get to the last item I have. Like I said, I have not started using it yet, but I did pick it up because I know it's important and I need to get way more into skincare than I am and start taking care. Water by itself is good, but I also can work, you know, topically, like on top of the skin to do things, and I really need to do more of it. So I went ahead and I picked up the Nourish Hyalluronic Moisture Boost Serum. This says that it's dermatologist formulated and it's suitable for all skin types. This creates a protective barrier on your skin, locking in moisture. This is something that I'll use soon before I use the moisturizer. The bonus giveaway question for this video is if you are using any type of skincare, please let me know what skincare you love the most. Go ahead and write that in the comments down below. So those are my skincare items and makeup remover items that I got from Trader Joe's. Guys, I'm so excited that I actually bought these items. Like I said, I love most of them. I love using them. I'm so glad that I bought them. I will be repurchasing this. I'm sure if they have it, like, I feel like this is gonna last me all summer. I'm not sure if it's like a seasonal thing, but if they have it next year, I could see myself picking this up for the summer months just to like smell like I'm in the spirit of summer, but also have hydrated skin. I really like these makeup remover wipes. They surprised me. They work better than some high-end makeup remover wipes that I got. So on the whole, you guys, I really feel like Trader Joe's has good quality food, and they also have good quality beauty and skincare items. The shout out for this video comes from Joshua. They say you should make a TikTok because you seem like a really genuine and nice person, and I feel like you would be really good TikToker. Thank you, I appreciate that. You guys, I do have a TikTok. The handle is Cami Stevenson IRL. Check me out over there. I did make a couple of videos, and that is my shout out for the video. All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Cami Stevenson IRL. And also, if you would like to, Cami's Cosmetics on Instagram. So I have 2 Instagram handles. If you ever want to know what I'm up to, if there's a change, if I'm going through something or whatever, I will always let you know on Instagram stories. The sound was weird here, so I'm just doing a voiceover at the end. Sorry guys, but I'm just saying thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.